Yes. Shall we begin? Everyone is there with me? At least thumbs up or raised hand in the classroom so that we can start with the session. Very good. Most of y'all are there. Very good. Okay, fine, fine. Yes. So in the last session, students, we have studied about different numbers. Do you all remember? Last session, different numbers, and then one basic concept. I've told you today we are going to collab those two concepts together. Anyone, or if you can
LCM and HCF.
very
LCM and
good.
HCF.
LCM and HCF. Very good. Perfect. Yes, Felsi and Sabina, you all are absolutely correct. Then there were different numbers. Do you all remember which were the numbers, types of numbers? Nahida, Haley, Sharmila.
Integer, irrational or rational number.
Irrational number, rational numbers. Very good. And
Whole
yes,
numbers,
Pavitra.
prime numbers, natural numbers,
Whole numbers, natural numbers. Yes, Haley came up with the
integers,
word prime numbers. What are prime numbers, students? What are prime numbers? We have already studied this in our lower grades. Prime numbers. Yes, Anup, you have raised your hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, prime number are those number which cannot be divisible by other number except for itself and one.
Okay, so the one who comes in their table only. Example, can we have some examples also in the classroom? Sharmila?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anup, go ahead.
Ma'am, 3, 2, 5, 7, 11.
3, 3, 2, 5, 7, 11. Very good. But then again, one is there, no? Why one wasn't counted, students? Why one wasn't counted? Sharmila, you want to help Anup or anyone else, Sabina? Why one wasn't counted in the prime number? Because one comes in one's table only, no? Yes, Haley, Sabina, Fancy. If the numbers aren't prime numbers, what they are called? Yes, Anup?
Ma'am,
Okay.
one is coming in all the tables like 13, 14.
Exactly.
Every tables has one as a factor, so we cannot consider it as a prime number.
So then if it is not a prime number, so it is composite number, is it?
No, one is neither prime number nor composite number.
Exactly. Remember this one is neither prime nor composite. We are going to see if one comes as HCF, one comes as LCM, what will happen. But for now, just understand. Remember that one is neither prime nor composite. Numbers which are not prime are composite numbers. Okay. I'll share the screen and then what if you have any doubts, you can ask me again. Okay. Is the screen visible to everyone? Students, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So now what all we discussed was about this. Prime numbers, one which is neither prime nor composite, and the rest numbers which are not prime or one are composite numbers. So the entire table now is completed with the discussion. Is it clear from this entire chart which is there in front of you? Yes, Anup, Felsi, Haley, or you want me to explain any of the part, rational, irrational, terminating, non-terminating, integers?
I'm terminating.
Terminating, yes. See, terminating numbers are basically which ends after certain decimal numbers, like can you see 2.5 here? So after 5
ma'am.
there is no number. Yes, yes, ma, yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Haley.
your voice is echoing.
Echoing, just a minute, give me a second. Check if it is proper now. Yes. Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you very much, Haley. So I hope We were on this terminating number. So as I said, terminating number ends at one stage. So 2.5, 1.275. So after this 5, we will have all zeros. So 5 is the end of that particular decimal place. So it is called as terminating. Something which is non-terminating but repeating are something which repeats themselves. Is it clear now to everyone? You want me to take one more example onto this, or this entire chart is now clear? Yes. Now the next thing after which we studied in the next session was LCM and HCF. You are in the class, students. You all can tell me the full form of LCM and HCF.
Lowest
Yes,
common
ma'am.
multiple.
Least common multiple, LCM.
Highest common multiple.
Highest common
Highest
One by
factor.
one.
Highest common factor.
Very good, students. You are very enthusiastic to tell me LCM and HCF. It is least common multiple and highest common factor. Then we have studied about what is multiple, what is factors. Now today, something which we are going to study is related to prime factorization method. Can you see the definition been given on the screen? Is it visible to everyone? Clearly visible to everyone?
Yes.
Ha. Yes, Nahida, can you read the definition?
Any number can be expressed as a product of a prime.
Any numbers can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Okay, so let's take one example. We're taking one example would be much better. I hope everyone is with their pencil and pen because we are going to solve a lot of example. Also, if you would have seen that we have this spin the wheel. There's a game also, students. So I hope everyone is excited for that game. So make sure that you clear up your concept so that the game would be much more interesting to you. Okay. Yes, students, you are there with me. Shall we go ahead? You are ready with pen and pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me erase this and coming back to pen. So any number can be expressed as a product of prime. Let's take for example 36 as the number. Is the 36 number visible on your screen, students? Or should I
Yes,
take
ma'am.
some
Yes,
other
ma'am.
color pen?
Dark color pen.
Just a minute. I'll take the pen. Clearing this and taking this. See. Is it now visible, Haley, Felsi?
Yes.
Very good. Yes,
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 ma'am.
Naida. Thank you very much. Going ahead. So 36. Now 36 can be expressed as how, like product of which two numbers?
6 6
Three
ja.
twelve.
6,
Six
6.
are 30.
6 6 ja.
Now, this is not the only way. There are different ways also to express 36. We have already studied in the last class. Now let's split up these numbers. Now 6 can be split up to what two products? Tell me.
3 into 3, ma'am.
2
3
3s are
into 3
Three into
into
two.
2.
3
Two two
into
two.
2. Yes, yes, yes. You all got your
Yes,
products
ma'am.
right,
Yes. 3
Nahida?
into 2.
It's
Yes,
3
ma'am.
into 2. Very good. Then again, these can be expressed as 3 into 2.
2.
Correct? So now we have the products as 36 as 3 into 2 into 3 into 2. Is it clear to everyone? So this
Yes.
is what is prime factorization method.
Ma'am, are you speaking?
Yes, yes, students. Am I audible?
There is some disturbance.
Ha ha ha. Yes, yes, yes. Just a minute, students. I'll mute my clear students. Is it clear to you all? Am I audible clearly to you
Yes,
all?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. So what was I asking you all is this factorization clear to you? Or should we take one more example, students? Will you all try this number 48 for me? After 36, 48 for me, and tell me what are the prime factors of 48. Try this. If you don't understand, we'll solve it on the board. Sabina, Pavitra, Nahida, Sharmila, Anup, Haley, Felsi. Tell me if you want, I'll solve this 48 also on the screen.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Very good. Let's wait for other and then we'll display the value on the board. Yes,
But
Sharmila also
ma'am, we
done.
can take any multiple, no?
Yes, yes, you can start with any multiples. Like it is not compulsory to start with 6 into 6. You can start with 12 into 3 and then split it up. The end result would be the same.
Ma'am, we can take the least table 2 into 24 also, na?
24 into
2.
24 into 2. Yes, definitely, Sabina. And then split up this 24 as well. We have to land up with all prime numbers only. Okay? Haley, Sharmila, those who are done with 48, try with one more number. Make it very clear to you. Let's take the next number as 60. Try this 60. Those who are done with 48, try with 60.
Ma'am, how you split with 24?
As you split 24, what will be the answer? Tell me.
12. 2 into
12
12.
into 12 into
2.
2. Very good. Again, 2 is prime number. This 2 is prime number. Is 12 prime number?
No.
No. Then you have to split up 12 also. 12 is 2. How much are 12? 12 into, sorry, 2 into
3 into 4 I
2.
have taken.
3 into 4. Okay, 3 into 4. Then again, 3 is a prime number, but is 4 a prime number?
No, it's 2.
No.
2 into 4.
Again, you will split up 2 into. So finally, your 48 would be written as with
5
all
times
the
2.
prime numbers only.
5 times 2.
5 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times is it 1, 2, 3, 4? I could see 4 times.
4 times.
4 times 2 and 1 time 3. Clear? I hope everyone has got the same answer. Yes. And then we have studied about HCF. Anyone remembers what is HCF, students?
Higher common factor.
Highest common factor.
Highest common factor. So what is the common factor? Let me erase all this and keep only the products in front of you. Okay. 36. Haley, repeat what are the products of 36?
6 into 6.
3 into the final one. The final one. Haley, you are muted, bacha.
We have done for 48, no, ma'am.
36, 48. There were three numbers, right? So I'm asking any two of them. So 36 was 3 into 2,
2 into
3 into,
3.
and then
2.
again 48 was,
2
yes,
into
you are absolutely correct. 2 into
3 into 2 into
3.
acha.
Anyways. Product, the place isn't important because any which ways you write, you will land up to all the numbers are multiplied, no? So the answer will be absolutely correct. So these are the two values, students. Again, what is highest common factor is you are going to multiply all the common values. Can you see this product of the common factor? So now tell me the product of the common factors here. Anup, you are there with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Anup. Tell me the common factor. Yes,
ma'am, we will
you
see
have
to
doubt.
the factor of 36 and 48 and check which are the common in prime factors like 2 times 2 are common and 1 time 3 is common. So we'll write there as a 1 time and multiply it.
These two will write only one time because they were common. Again, the
Yes.
next two is common, and the last three is common. These three. So finally, the HCF of 36 and 48. Remember, last time students we did with very smaller number 12, 18, and then we came up with the common factors. Here, the highest common factor. Here we came up with the prime factors, and then we have came up with the common numbers in it. Are you relating the concept? Is it clear? This highest common factor using prime factorization is easier than the one which we did. That was one different method, the basic method. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
from the prime factors. Very good, Naida. So now the final answer, the HCF of 36 and 48 is
12.
2 into 3.
3 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? Final answer is
12.
12,
12.
ma'am.
very good. Is it understood? Should we take one more example, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Take value 48. We have already done with 48. Take one more value, Haley and people who were solving 60, and tell me what is the HCF. We'll go step by step. Okay. So 48, I can copy it from here only. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. For 60, who would like to tell me the products of 60? Prime factors
2
of 60.
into 3 into 2 into 5.
Haley, 2 into
3 into
3 into
2 into 5.
2 into 5. 12 fives is 60. Absolutely correct. Now, Sabina, tell me the common factors. And then if Sabina couldn't do it, we'll take help of Anoop for the same. Sabina, you are there with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Sabina. Tell me the common
And 2
factors.
again.
One by one. 2 is one of the common factor. Yes, 2. Then
3 is the common factor.
3 is the common factor. 3.
Again,
Then
2 is the common factor.
again 2 is the common factor. So the final answer would be again
12.
20.
12.
2 into 3 into 2 is 12. Now you all have understood. Now we have taken two examples, students. Don't worry, we have to solve more and more of examples with the same method. But are these two examples clear to you all? We have taken very random numbers because I wanted to try with bigger numbers too. Is it clear, Anu, Pavitra, Sabina, Felsi, Haley?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Very
ma'am.
good. Perfect. Perfect. Moving to the next thing is what is after HCF, students? What is after HCF? Anu,
Ma'am, LCM.
LCM. What is the full form of LCM? It has been already told by others, right? What is the full
Yes,
form,
ma'am.
Felsi?
Common
Yes.
multiple.
Least
Least
common
common
multiple.
multiple.
Now here, since yes, very good, Sharmila, Anup, Pelsi, amazing. You all are answering. That is really very good. Now here in the HCF, what we did is only product of common factors, but in LCM we have product of both common as well as the uncommon factor. Now this is something dicey, right? Let's solve some examples. Please keep your eye on these examples because then we will be able to play the game. Okay, so pay attention here. See, again the same numbers, or you want me to try with different numbers? Let's take the same number, so we'll save time and we'll get more time to play the game. So 36, and now let's take 60, the other combination. So 36, I'll write it very fast so that we'll save time here. Students, 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Am I correct? Check, students. Have I went anywhere wrong with the products or the prime numbers? Pavitra, Felsi,
Correct, ma'am.
perfect? Yes. Again, Now we know what are the common factors. Common factors were, what were the common factors? Pavitra, tell me.
2,
Yes, ma'am. 2,
2. Very good. Next.
3,
3,
2.
2. So these were the common factors. And it is written product of common. That is understood. Now also for the uncommon ones also. So what are the uncommon which are not there in 36 and 60 together?
3.
3. 3 is 1 and then 5. So
5.
what were the uncommon factors here? 3 and 5. Are you clear with this? We have done the product of common as well as the uncommon factor. Is it clear? One more example on the way. Is this clear, students?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Clear.
Very good. So this was very basic. Now let's multiply. Common factor we already know was 12. Uncommon factor is 5 threes is. Haley, 5 threes is
15.
15. Nahida, what is 12? 15s are 12 into 15 is a bigger number, no? Students, start calculating in your paper.
80.
Ma'am, 180.
180.
180. Very good. But then where is Nahida? Nahida? Nahida is there in the classroom. Anup, just check.
It's not there.
Ma'am, she is there.
She's not there. Okay, okay, ma'am, no problem. Yes, fine. So I hope till here everyone is clear. Everyone has noted down the concept in their mind on the paper, because now we are going to start with the game. Everyone is excited. Everyone is there. Can I see some raised hand in the classroom? Students, you all want me to solve one more example? Sabina, Pavitra, Felsi. Neither, no, but you are not audible, but you can type it in the chat box as well for me. Sabina, you want me to solve one more example for you, or should we go ahead? LCM is a bit tricky one, so that's what I'm asking you again and again.
Yes, ma'am. You can solve one more.
Yes, Sabina, should we try one more example? Sharmila, Pavitra, or should we go ahead with the game? Again, in the game, you have to solve a lot of examples. Don't worry, I'm there with you to help you. Till here, everything is clear.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Right, let's go ahead, students. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just students, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, students. I think my internet has been exhausted, but I'll try. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yes, students. Now let's take. Now I was supposed to use the spin the wheel to, like, there were two spin the wheel. One was all the numbers, all the names of the students, and the second wheel was all the numbers from 1 to 100. As the wheel spins, that particular student is going to give one number, and the second number would be from the next spin. Is it clear? Should I repeat the instructions, students, for you?
Yes, ma'am.
There were
Once.
two
Yes, ma'am.
wheels. One wheel is going to, I'll show you the wheel. See, this is the wheel, students. One wheel has all the names with them: Sharmila, Sabina, Pavitra, Anup, Nahida. The next wheel has all the numbers from.
Ma'am, are you showing the wheel?
She has logged off, I think, went away. She said game, and what happened, I don't know. I'm seeing link, kuch nahi hai.
Ma'am, I guess her data got exhausted, so she got logged off.
She'll come.
She came.
She's come.
Yes, kids, I'm there. Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. Let's take 2 turns. I was supposed to take more, but since the network doesn't persist, we'll take 2 turns and rest we can do as a activity with ourselves. Okay? Yes? Let's share the screen. So this is the first wheel with all the names. Can you see the wheel, students? Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. The first student will give the first number. The next wheel will tell you the second number. Then you have to start with what I instruct, whether it is LCM or HCF. Okay. So the first wheel, the student, everyone has to be ready. If the mic is not working, give your number in the chat box. Okay. Start. Yes, Sabina. Give the first number from 1 to 100. 1 to 100, any one number.
79.
79.
9.
Very good. And the next number, let's go with this next number. The next number is 53. Now, students, you'll have to find HCF of 79 and 53 fast. Start, and then you all are going to show me the answers on the camera.
Ma'am, 79 is a prime number, no?
79 is a prime number. Very good. And
Ma'am, both number are prime number.
Those are
You
prime
have
numbers.
to just multiply both the number and get the HCF.
Anoop. Yes. HCF is a product of common numbers, common prime numbers. So, HCF of 53 is 53. Wait a minute. Let me take some other color pen. 53 is 1 into 53. The next number is 79. 79 is also 1 into 79. Sorry, 79. So what is HCF here? What is common here, students?
1.
1. So when there are two prime numbers, we have only 1 as the HCF. See, now we have touched one concept. Very good selection of numbers, Sabina, and also the spin. Fine. Is it understood now, students? Clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we take one more turn here? Let's come here and let's take the next students. Okay? Is it exciting?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, Haley, tell me. You have any
Then,
doubt?
ma'am, what we'll do for LCM?
LCM, yes, for LCM. Very good. Let's go here again. And for LCM. Now for LCM, HCF is 1. So the common factor is 1. But for LCM, you're going to multiply the common factor, which was 1, and the rest numbers as well, as Anoop was telling us. 53 into 79. Everything would be multiplied together and you will have final LCM. Is it clear, Haley, for you? Haley, you are there with me? Yes. Should we go ahead with the next spin? Is it visible to everyone? Haley, Nahida, Sharmila?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next student. Haley, I'll ask you once again. Were you clear with the LCM concept?
Yes.
Okay. I heard you now. Fine. Let's go ahead again. Yes. Felsi, the next number?
42.
42. Very good. And then the next spin. Let me erase all this and come with this. The next number is 98. So one is 42 and 98. You'll have to come up with the LCM of both. LCM. 42 and 98. Go ahead, start students, and tell me what is the LCM, the products and the LCM. Anup is solving, Haley is solving. What about the others? Pavitra, Nahida, very good. Nahida is also there on my screen. Yes, students. Sharmila has got the answer 294. Sharmila, can you help me with the products of 42? Products of 42?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Others can cross check.
2,
2,
2, 3, 7.
2 into 3 into 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wait. Let me pick another color pen and I'll write here 7. Okay. This is 3. Okay. Yes. Then next student, Haley, product of 98. What were the products of 98 prime products?
2 into 7 into 7.
2 into 7 into 7. Very good. 7 is already there. Fine. So now what are the common factors in this?
2 and 7.
2 is
2
there.
and 7.
7 is there. Very good. So common factor came out to be 14 into. Now next. What were the uncommon factors?
3,
7 and
7.
3.
7 and 3. 7 3s is how much, Nahida? Now Nahida is audible to me. Nahida?
21, ma'am.
21. Yes. So the product of 14 and 21, Sabina. I hope you have calculated and you have also landed up to the value. Yes, Anup is nodding. Yes, Anup, tell me. Will you help Sabina? Sabina?
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said? I couldn't hear you.
See, first we have came up with the products. Then the common factors. The product of common factor is 14. The product of uncommon factor is 21. Now tell me the product of 14 and 21.
294, ma'am, total is.
294. Very good. So is it understood now, students? Everyone is with me. Everyone, I hope, is noting down it step by step. I'm writing here and there because there's restriction of space. But I hope you all are properly noting it down. You'll have to submit your books for correction, students. Fine. So is it clear till here, students? Shall we take one more turn and end the session? One more turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes.
Let's go ahead. Next turn. Yes. It is Anup. Anup, tell me one number.
Ma'am, 56.
HCF is, okay, wait a minute. This is, I'm unable to type. HCF of 56
56.
and the other number. Now let's go here, share this tab, clear all this, and let's take some other number from this one. 20. Next number is 20. Now I want everyone to start and let's see who comes first in this. And then show your book on the screen, students. Now I'm not going to help you. We have already done 3-4 examples now. Start and tell me HCF of 56 and 20 very quickly.
Ma'am, SCF is 4.
Very good. Anup was the first one to answer. HCF of 56 and 20 is 4. What about others? What about others? Hanu, can you show it on the screen for others also? For me to check. Show it on the screen. How you have written, let me check. What about the others? Yes, I could see. Very good, Anu. Perfect. You have even you are even calculating the LCM part. Amazing. What about the others? Sharmila is also showing. Sharmila
LCM is 280.
Very good, Pavitra, and HCF is amazing student. I am only restricting you to LCM, but then even you all are calculating HCF, but you all are even calculating LCM. That's an amazing work. This dedication in the maths class is what is required. Very good, Nahida. I saw your solution as well, so it was absolutely correct. Fine, students. The same thing, no, we are not only restricted to 2 numbers, students. We can do the same thing with 3 numbers, with 4 numbers, with 5 numbers, with the same concept. Okay. So I hope now you are very clear with HCF and LCM. There are more methods, students, which you will be studying in the coming classes, in your coming grades. But I hope the basics is very much clear. So when you move to the next class, you would have your base strong. Perfect. Can I see some thumbs up in the classroom now, students? Very good. Haley is there. Anoop is there. Sabina has also raised her hand. Very good. Sharmila, Pavitra. Where is Nahida? Nahida is busy with her cat. Is it? Nahida, even you are
No,
clear
ma'am.
with the base?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm clear.
With the spin the wheel, with the game is the speed and the accuracy has increased. Yes,
Ma'am.
Naida? Very good. So we'll have
Ma'am.
such similar games in the next class as well. You all can try this spin the game. I'll provide you with the link so you can spin game. You can spin, take some numbers and solve more and more of HCM and LCM in this grades. Okay. We'll stop for today, students. Now the last thing is about homework. Try solving these with 3 numbers, 4 numbers. Okay. And then if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me anytime. Felsi is again here. Let me repeat the instructions very clearly again. Students, Felsi, listen to me. The same thing you have to try now with 3 numbers, try with 4 numbers. And then if the doubt arises, I am always there to help you. Is it clear, students? Shall we commence? Okay, yes, very good. Thank you very much, students. See you in the next class with next topic with more of games. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
You're welcome. Take care, everyone. Yes.
Okay, Nahida.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Lesson was very interactive. As we have done the old thing, that is factorization, LCM and HCF, she has first taken the revision, which is very much important to brainstorming that what they have remembered. She has asked the question, what are different type of numbers you have done. So was recollecting in a fresh way. That was very important, and she has introduced it. And when she was introducing prime factorization, which is little bit tough for the student, she has it. Sorry, ma'am. She introduced the game through which first she explained, and then she introduced the game which was the very best part to for the students to more interaction which teacher can see. And like they were competing to each other, they were very she was engaging that who will do first. The student will try to do as fast as they can. So this was very interesting, which I've seen in the lecture. Yes, overall lecture was very nice, with engaging, elaborating, and all new games which she has introduced for the math lecture.
Yes, very nice. Helly.
Ma'am, I like the way she tried the new way of, making students engrossed in the thing, because it becomes, difficult for the students to make them play with numbers. So, it becomes a curiosity कि अब next number क्या आएगा, because if you go with the sums given in the textbook, no, they already know. like this is what teacher is going to teach, exercise mein ye hai, teacher is going to teach the same sums, so half of the practice is done from the home or the tuition teacher. So if you come up with the game, if you come up with new numbers, they're not well prepared with that thing, and they try to come up with new questions, or it becomes a rot learning in the maths again itself, because nowadays tuition teacher students have made the thing rot learning in maths as well. So it is a very good concept of
Was
coming
it Johnny
with
with
new
any
numbers.
again?
Even student teachers also, you know, try to come up with like,
Hello.
it becomes कि इतना ही sums करवाना है, इतना करेंगे, छोड़ देंगे. But if numbers are only coming up new, so even teacher has to be alert. So it is a two-way side thing that both of them have to be alert with whatever students will come up with new queries, and even students are surprised कि अब नया number क्या आने वाला है. So it is a very good thing. And it kept everyone well engrossed, and it becomes a competition. अब मेरे को पहले आंसर करना, I will answer first. That becomes a thing. So very new and innovative thing to come up with. Very well done.
Yes. Anybody wants to add apart from these two?
Ma'am, her lecture was very interactive. She was very well throughout the lecture. Her game was very interesting. It was interesting to know that automatically numbers were appearing. So it was good on the part of the teacher also and the student also, that they were becoming aware of the number and to solve it.
So yeah, even I didn't know this type of game. ये है. There are so many apps, so many things. So I think we should actually sit for some time and keep on browsing, seeing things. ऐसा it's ready-made, na actually, but we are not aware. So actually, Aishwarya becomes an asset for many things because she is very good in ICT things and she knows. So when she introduces these things, try to incorporate some things in your this also. Ask, learn. So it's very nice for us also. Last time we said you take a session for our group because it happens, you know, because even last year we had Azamta was like that. She was using some FET simulations. Is that time to ekdam naya aaya tha. Now it is like people are getting used to. So take advantage of Aishwarya's knowledge, what she knows. I would like to tell in our group also yesterday that magazine. We don't know. Aisa gadi jaisa. Nicely she showed us how it flips and how you can make, and she has taken full responsibility of the college magazine for doing that. So these people who know something, we should try to learn and take advantage. Or she is ready to teach us, she is ready to show us. So why not? तो समटाइम्स अगर कुछ लेसन नहीं है, कुछ है, और वन डे वी कैन जस्ट कीप सेशन. ऐश्वर्या शो फ्यू थिंग्स. 1 मिनिट हा, माय बॅटरी लो करके आया. हे जरा हे लाव ना पटकन, त्याच्यात चाललं निघालं, चालू करेल मोबाईल लावून टाक बस. हां, सो सॉरी. So we can take that. Even last time nahi hua due to some reasons. So we can learn few things. If somebody knows also, it will be brushing up. And then we can write in a book all these things. And then we try out like homework in the evenings, how to do it and all. So everybody's lessons, of course. ये फिर ऑफ फेस टू फेस हो जाएगा तो इतना नहीं यूज करेंगे. बट इफ दे आस्क यू इन योर इंटरव्यूज, इन योर थिंग, क्या यूज किया, हाउ यू डू, हाउ डिड यू, they'll say that it becomes monotonous on screen. So how do you encourage children, motivate children? So these kind of activities and whatever, it's simple, you have to just share and this, but it becomes a lot of fun, no, thoda bachchon ke liye. So we will learn, we will keep. You all tell me one day session whenever we have time. तो आप बोलिए एक दिन वो करेंगे, एक दिन क्या, एक आफ्टरनून करेंगे. तो दिन तो पूरा है, but then we keep for planning and all those things. That's why we did not take in the afternoon. Morning screen time हो जाता है, आपका भी network issues है या data का है. That's why we take 3 or 4 lessons. Our lessons go 3-3.5 घंटा ऐसे जाता है. So we can do that one day, maybe Monday or something like that in the afternoon, lesson के बाद. So we will learn. Aishwarya, just keep and simple things you can share. Even some things अभी तक, to be very frank, वो जो साइड में पावर पॉइंट भी आएगा और सब दिखेंगे, मुझे अभी तक नहीं समझा, होता ही नहीं है मेरे से वो. लाइक मे बी वी नो फ्यू थिंग्स बट फ्यू थिंग्स नहीं है वो. व्हाट वाज दैट यू टॉट अस?
Prezi video.
No. Prezi video nahi. She was asking a paper.
Yes, speaker
Bingo.
note.
स्पीकर नोट
Speaker
वाला,
note.
Speaker notes. Okay, okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
स्पीकर
Even
नोट
I
वाला
tried
वो
it.
मेरे
Didn't
से हो
work.
ही नहीं रहा है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई, क्या मेरा गलत हो रहा है.
Ma'am,
मीन्स
if
इट्स एंड देयर इज
college
नथिंग
would be,
रॉन्ग टू से मुझे नहीं आ रहा है,
हाँ,
तो
yes,
वी
yes,
शुड
ma'am.
ट्राई. और हमने क्या हो गया, तभी ऐश्वर्या ने सिखाया, फिर मैं भूल भी गई. और यू नो यू नीड टू कीप कांस्टेंट लाइक यूज, तो यूज कर देना. और शी यूजेस दैट प्रेजी प्रेजी एवरी टाइम, तो उसको इजी पड़ गया है वो, बिकॉज शी यूजेस, राइट ऐश्वर्या.
Yes,
हम
yes,
लोग क्या है,
definitely,
देखते हैं
ma'am.
फिर यूज नहीं करते, भूल जाते हैं. सो ट्राई आउट, अपने को क्या है, डेवलपिंग स्किल्स. सो इट्स
मैम
नाइस.
एक सेशन रख ही लेते हैं प्रेजी वीडियो का.
या इनफैक्ट सो मेनी थिंग्स वी कैन लर्न.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, if the college was online, offline, no, we would have got to lot many things from each other.
Aishwarya, I was trying to come up with, like, जैसा भी you used spin wheel, right? So it is a good idea because till we are in online, right? But if we go offline, it won't be that much helpful to us to use that spin wheel. We can make it by hand. That is a different thing altogether.
हाँ,
But
so,
see, I was,
हाँ.
yes, yes.
So I had a plan. See, when the same thing happens offline, no, what we can do is we can make student like on one paper, no, because I have tried this with my 10th standard students in the school itself. On this paper, you can make blocks like 1 to 100, and then 1 to 100 one sheet, 1 to 100 one sheet, and then the common factors have been cut out from these pages or holes are being made, and then one paper is kept on the other paper, so the common factors would have two holes, so you come up with the common factors. Same way you can use the ticklies which are there, those
Or
ticklies have
even
been
you can use this bottle spinning bottles which we play. So row 1, 2, 3, it can goes around it like that.
So the thing is
there are
that we
ways.
can make spin wheel, right? The other thing that I thought of was, one was the spin wheel that we can make it eventually, like cardboard का use करके हम लोग वो arrow करके वैसा बना सकते हैं. The other thing is flash cut, but there are still some things that अभी हम लोग video presentations कर देते हैं, YouTube पे video बता देते हैं, but it is not always possible. So other day I was trying to find out some other supplementary ways through which we can introduce different things. So if we go in a collective manner, no. सो मतलब अभी एक है फ्लैश कार्ड्स जैसा, अगर हम लोग वो ऑनलाइन यूज कर सकते हैं तो वो ऑफलाइन में हम लोग बना सकते हैं. सो इट इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन. सो आई वाज ट्राइंग कि हम लोग जो ऑफलाइन कर सकते हैं ना, वही अगर हम लोग ऑनलाइन करना
ज्यादा
शुरू
करें.
करें, तो basically the link would be same, just the thing is the mode would be different. It would be online and offline. So one is the thing that flashcards है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे भी है ना, online में भी. I was planning, I made 2-3 flashcards, but it did not work out. Like, I tried making flashcards and I was going to introduce the lesson using those flashcards as I'm teaching offline, but not making it use of videos or something like that. So I was like, if each one of us come up with some ideas that we can do in online and offline both as well, so it would be compatible to us also to go offline smoothly. Aisa.
Exactly. My thought process is the same way. So that's the reason I am like using less of videos and more of interaction only. I'm trying to neglect that because we really don't have a good practice of offline thing. That's the reason.
See now what I am saying, जितना ऑनलाइन है तभी ऑनलाइन बेस्ट करो. जब भी हम ऑफलाइन जाएंगे, मे बी अभी मुझे तो लगता है सेम 4 में जाएंगे कि क्या है, आई डोंट नो. लाइक कैरेट्स बता रहे अभी आएंगे, पर वो क्या हो रहा है आई डोंट नो. जिंक्स्ड है क्या है, कोई बोलते हैं झूठ बोलते हैं वो अमीरवान आया करके, कोई बोलते हैं मुझे भी नहीं पता बाबा, मैं थोड़ी गई थी ढूंढने. ओके, तो मुझे पता नहीं है इसके बारे में, बट सेम 4 में शायद होगा, तभी देखेंगे. आई एम वरीड ऑफ योर एग्जाम्स. अभी एग्जाम्स ऑफलाइन फटाफट लिखना पड़ता है, स्पेशली साइंस मैथ्स लोगों को. 10 मार्क के लिए 4 साइड्स ऑफ फुलस्केप लिखना पड़ता है. 4 साइड्स ऑफ फुलस्केप लिखना पड़ता है. तो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दैट, क्योंकि दैट्स व्हाई आई इंसिस्ट कि बाबा जब व्हेन यू आर शोइंग योर दिस व्हाट टू से असाइनमेंट, पर्पसली हाथ से. लास्ट टाइम आप लोग बोले ना मैडम व्हाई वी विल ये सेंड इट टाइप वाला, वो मालूम है, टाइप वाला कट पेस्ट करके भेजने का, वो सब नहीं करने का. बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू नो, ये नहीं लिखा जाता है. बहुत दिन लिखेंगे नहीं ना